Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anastasia and I'm your go-to holistic health and fitness expert. In this channel, I share with you my expertise and life-changing experience that I had myself over the last 16 years of my life, where I've been an anorexic, where I was suffering with a bulimia, where I have and binge eating disorders, guilty pleasure disorders with a kind of sugar addiction, and also alcohol consumption. So what I treat and what I learned through the nourishment with the food choices, through the healing with not right lifestyle, but a holistic lifestyle, which means that you nourish your body, you eat natural ingredients, you've been active, not with a 3-time gym exercise, but with really being active in your life. And how does it help you to boost your immune system, to boost your longevity, to increase your libido, to get you to the deepest and highest test on life. And I offer this transformation, I offer this coaching to my clients. You can be my client as well if you want to know more how it can optimize your life, because I believe there is every single human can benefit it. And particularly I speak up for the women audience because there is so much changes it can bring and deliver to you. And if you want to learn more, you can send me a message and we will take a free consultation call. And in today's video, I want to speak with you about the guilty pleasure. What does it mean when you're allowing yourself to have the guilty pleasure? It's not that you are just treating yourself with here and there some snacks, either it's sweet, either it's salty, either it's some forbidden substance like alcohol, drugs, and smoking, whatever. But it's also about you kind of ditching yourself and optimizing these addictions, these guilty pleasures, and you think that you're doing a cheat meal. What basically you are doing, you are playing with your mental health, you are playing with your mentality, because when you kind of thinking that you need it, it's most of the time there is certain trigger happens, and that's why you wanted to optimize your mental health, your state, by giving yourself this sweet treat, salty treat, whatever it's in your case. So is it bad? Is it not bad? Of course, it's up to you to decide. But in a long run, if you want to align your health, if you want to align your inner outside beauty, it's obviously you need to ditch this kind of addictions, this kind of habits, this kind of guilty pleasure, because it's very short span of satisfaction, and in a long term it can bring you sickness, it can bring you disorders, it can bring you instability with your mood swings in your mindset and your mentality. And do you need to sit on diet to heal this? No. You need just to understand your body, why it's get triggered. Again, that's why a holistic lifestyle, it's a combo of your mentality. How do you look at the triggers? How do you look at your food choices? How do you decide what you eat? Because you are what you eat, you are what you see, you are how you speak. So all the levels and all the elements of the life test is an ingredient of your overall life, overall well-being, overall how do you feel, overall how do you choose and prioritize your life choices. And it's on all levels. It's your work, it's your professional success, it's your libido, it's your ability to be a mother, for how many kids you are able to do, what kind of energy drive you have in your life, and how do you handle the situation, because life, it's not white and black, it's not always in a pink glasses, you have always challenges, and you have a choice. Either you handle it and flourish in your life, or you just go with the flow, complain, etc. So when you have this robust lifestyle, when you have a longevity, when you have an energy, when you have an optimism, when you build up your foundation of physical, mental, and emotional health, you are able to handle. So we go here a little bit philosophical, but by the beginning of the video, I want to point it out that guilty pleasure is just a short span satisfaction which does not resolve the need. Why do you have a need to have this treat? So it's the best to look and cause and what does it happen and why there is a cause and effect. So heal the cause, and then your effect with the longevity, with satisfaction, with the exuberance in your life would just flourish day by day. Again, no matter what is your age, no matter how do you find yourself right now in your life, no matter you think that it's always not over, depending on your age, depending on your wallet size. It can be always being changed and make over, but it's just one decision away. You need to decide that you want to do this. How to do it? There is certain tools, certain instruments that are available. I can help you out with holistic lifestyle changes, which would build you a solid and strong foundation to build your life, to have what you want, and to play life around every single day. So this is what I offer for you. This is how I want to offer and help you out. And again, one more reminder for you: you can drop me a message, book a free consultation call, and we'll take from there. This is it.